I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware versions and that the dock has stable power. Once done, plug the supplied USB-C cable into the dock and into your Legion Go. Make sure the power LED on the dock lights. Next, position the Legion Go on the dock so alignment pins and magnetic guides meet. You should feel a subtle click. If the display doesn't wake, press the device power button briefly while seated in the dock to initiate handoff. Once docked, you change display and input modes to match your setup. Open display settings and choose external or mirrored output at 60 Hz for smooth visuals. If you need low latency, select performance mode. Then map controller buttons and enable audio pass-through so sound routes through dock outputs. Finally, attach USB peripherals to the dock, keyboard, mouse, or wired Ethernet, and confirm they register. If a peripheral doesn't appear, reset its cable and reselect USB mode in Settings. You finish by verifying charging and data transfer. Check LEDs for power, data, and network activity. Once done, test a game or app to ensure inputs and audio route correctly through the dock. If the display remains black or peripherals don't initialize, restart the dock and the Legion Go. Make sure cables are fully inserted and try alternate USB-C ports. If problems persist, perform a dock factory reset only after backing up any settings. That usually resolves firmware-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.